Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an online coaching business with CoachAccountable, beginner guide step by step clearly. To build an online coaching business using CoachAccountable, start by defining your coaching niche. Identify the specific area where you want to offer coaching services. Consider your expertise, passions, and the needs of your target audience. Next, sign up for a CoachAccountable account on their website. Choose a subscription plan that fits your business needs and budget. Once you're logged in, set up your profile with relevant information about your coaching services. Create packages or programs that outline what clients can expect from your offerings. Set pricing for your coaching services based on market research and competition. Use CoachAccountable's onboarding tools to streamline the client intake process. Design an engaging coaching agreement that clients will understand and agree to. Next, customize your coaching dashboard to reflect your brand identity. Upload your logo and adjust colors to match your business aesthetics. Start importing your client list into CoachAccountable for easy management. Utilize the platform's scheduling features to set available coaching times. Create automated reminder emails for clients before their sessions. Develop a system for tracking client progress using CoachAccountable's built-in tools. This will help you provide personalized feedback and make necessary adjustments. Next, create a community or support group for your clients to engage with each other. Utilize resources like webinars and workshops to enhance client interaction and support. Market your coaching services through social media and your website. Create valuable content that showcases your expertise and attracts potential clients. Leverage testimonials and success stories to build credibility and trust. Finally, continuously evaluate your services and client feedback for improvements. As you grow, consider expanding your offerings to include group coaching or courses. Stay updated with CoachAccountable's features and community for ongoing support. With dedication and the right tools, you can build a successful online coaching business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.